Hey guys, welcome back to Just Subordian. Today I'm going to show you how to remove this guy here, this on-off water shut-off valve. It stopped working. My house is about 6 years old and I've only, I'd say, a handful of times used it to either shut off and turn back on the water to the toilet. And it decided to just stop working last night when I was trying to work on something inside of the tank here. So I gotta change it out because right now there's no water going to it. And I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna use one of these Sharkbite connectors that connects to the tank. Just a little bit easier. I'm gonna try it out. I've used Sharkbites before and they worked out pretty well. I'm gonna give this one a shot and hope for the best. But let me show you how it's done. I'm gonna try a different technique I saw online and see if it works. Here we go. All right, so hopefully the lighting's okay. I know it's kind of dark in here, but there's two ways to remove this, right? So the first way is go ahead and cut it, which is the first thing you want to do. Empty out the water. I already shut off the main. And then to remove this, it is a kind of an odd way, and I have in another video where I changed out the sink faucet, but you got to pull and twist. And you just kind of keep pulling and twisting and eventually it'll come out. But it can be a pain. Sometimes it'll take you, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 twists if you're lucky. I've had to take up to 10 minutes to get it off, and some of them come out pretty quick. The other way that I saw online, which I want to try today, is after I cut it here, you can take one of these pipe cutters, go about halfway, and you cut into it here. And then it exposes the interior, which you can kind of manually take apart and it comes out. So I'm gonna try that out, so let's give it a shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And I apologize ahead of time, I am doing this one-handed, so hopefully I don't make too big of a mess here. All right, so no water there really, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off down here, up here, sorry. All right, so that's out, done. All right, so next step. Gonna go ahead and grab my tool here. Put this on, and I'm going to go ahead and tighten it as best as I can, one-handed. You want to be about halfway. Okay, there we are. And let's see how this goes. Every time you do a turn, give it about a quarter turn to tighten it back up. So I'm gonna have to use both hands because now, as you see, it's starting to twist. So I'm gonna keep trying with two hands and I'll come back and show you after I've cut it. All right guys, so I was able to cut through it. As you can see there, I'm gonna go ahead and just twist it, take it out. There you go. Now you gotta just remove the rest of these guts, which for this little ring here, you might have to get some snips and cut it off because you just can't pull it off. So let me grab some snips and I'll cut it off. Okay, I went ahead and snipped it off. You can see, cut it. And now you can peel everything else off. Sorry once again about the shaking. It's the pain in the butt. All right, we're gonna have to snip that one off as well. All right, So I removed the last bit of it and then actually went ahead and cleaned it up with memory cloth. I believe it's called memory cloth. Sorry if I named that wrong. But last step now is to install the new part. So what I would recommend, being that this is just a push on and it locks in place, start with this part up here, lock it into the top of the tank, or sorry, to the bottom of the tank. I'm gonna do this blind, so I apologize. There we go. And it just has to be hand tight, doesn't gotta get crazy with it. And finally, this here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. That's just really more decorative than anything. And then all you gotta do is make sure you're lined up as straight as possible when you're doing this so you don't damage anything. And you just push. And you're done. There you go, it's in. Now you can actually just open it if it's not open, and you're set. Simple as that, easy. Well, hope you like it, and we'll catch you next time on Just Aboard again, make another video. Later.